Right now in Georgia, COVID-19 deaths continue to rise, while new cases and hospitalizations appear to be leveling off now. 73 new deaths were reported across the state today. That is according to the Department of Health. The number of new deaths started rising in mid-July and have continued to increase rapidly. There have been more than 3,800 deaths in Georgia so far. Over the past week, it appears the number of new cases has started to level out. New cases had been steadily rising since mid-June. More than 3,600 new cases were reported today, bringing the total number for Georgia to a little over 190,000. Now, meanwhile, there were about 3,100 new hospitalizations reported today, making this the fourth straight day we've seen a decrease. Like new cases, hospitalizations had been steadily increasing since the end of June, but now appear to be leveling off.